How to delete your Messenger account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Messenger account. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to open up your Messenger application. What you want to do once you open it up is you want to make sure you're logged into your account that you want to delete. Now tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is you want to tap on the gear icon that you can see at the very top of your screen. Once you tap on it, you should be on your profile here on Messenger. What you want to do is you want to scroll down, and here you want to tap on account settings that you can see the second option under account. Simply tap on account settings and you should be headed into account settings here. Now here, once you're here, what you want to do is you want to scroll down all the way below here until you find the option account center under Meta. You can see now you want to simply tap on it and it'll ask you are leaving our app, do you wish to continue? Simply tap on continue option and it will take you to Facebook here account center. Now here what you want to do is you want to tap on account option. Now in my case here I don't have the option here particularly, but you'll get the option to delete your account after the latest update right here. Now since my application isn't updated, my account isn't identified, so it's not showing up, but you'll find under accounts here, like right here under account settings, you'll find your profile of personal information. You want to simply tap on personal information, and once you tap on personal information there, you'll be able to see your profile information, and under it you'll find the option deactivate and delete. So remember, you'll have to delete or deactivate your Facebook account in order to delete or deactivate your Messenger account since they are connected. So this way you can delete your Messenger account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.